Welcome back to the Happy Heels. So today we'll see how we can crochet this beautiful hair clip where I have used this sunflower. This piece of sunflower you can use as well for the home decor or the hair accessories like hairband, curtain tie, as well for the flower bouquet. So this is the material we require. So let's begin. Here I am using a 4-ply cotton crochet yarn. You can take any of your choice. So let's start with taking a magic ring, pull a loop through, and we'll make a slip knot like this. And we'll consider this as channel 1 here. So to start round 1, we have already taken channel 1. Now we'll work 8 single crochet to the ring here. Now following the same process, we have to work total 8 single crochet. Once you are done, pull the yarn tight to close the ring here, and we'll slip stitch to the very first single crochet to finish our round 1 here. Now channel 1 to start next round. Now in this round we have to work increased single crochet. That means you'll work 2 single crochet into same stitch. So here to the next stitch we are working 2 single crochet into very same stitch. So that's what we call increased single crochet here. Now again to the next stitch, again we'll work increased single crochet, that is 2 single crochet into same stitch, and repeat. So likewise we'll follow the same process to complete this round. Once you are at the end of the round, just slip stitch to the very first single crochet here, then chain 1 and cut the yarn. So here we are almost done with the center of the flower. You have to just pull the yarn tight in order to make the center hole disappear. So here we are done. Next we'll work on the petals. So now I'll be using a 3-ply acrylic plus cotton yarn. You can take any of your choice. Now attach the yarn by taking a slip knot here. Now to start the petal round, first channel 1, and then we'll take half double crochet to the same stitch. And then double crochet to the same stitch. Now channel 2, 1 and 2. Now we'll go to the next stitch and work double crochet. Then half double crochet into same stitch. Now chain 1 and slip stitch to the next stitch here. Now we'll just repeat to work our next petal. So this is how we can easily make our petals for the sunflower here. Now repeat the same process and work all around to complete the petals. And here we are all done with making a sunflower here. Now just you have to chain one and slip stitch to the very first stitch where we started making our first petal here. After you complete, just chain one and cut the yarn off. You can secure the left yarn or just cut them off like this here. So here we are all done. I hope you like this one. So you can use this flower as your bouquet, as your home decor, like I told you earlier, for the curtain tie. This looks good as well. And we are going to do this for the hair clip, as you can see the thumbnail. So this is the hair clip which I have already crocheted. You can check the link in description or visit my channel to know how you can crochet this. Next, I'm using this hot glue gun to fix my flower on it here like this. You can use any fabric glue as well. So like this, you have to hold it tight for a few seconds and it's ready to go here. So that's all for the day. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe, because your support means a lot. And when I say a lot, yes, I'm extremely grateful to you for being with me. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much.